Bengal around 1040 km south-southeast of Gopalpur, and it is likely to move nearly west-northwestward and intensify into depression by 26th and also into a cyclonic storm over southwest adjoining west central Bay of Bengal by 27th morning. Thereafter, it is likely to move northwestward, then north-northwestward and intensify into a severe cyclonic storm by morning of 28th October. And it will continue to move north-northwestward. It is very likely to cross Andhra Pradesh coast between Machilipatnam and Kalingapatnam around Kakinada during the evening or night of 28th October as a severe cyclonic storm with maximum sustained wind speed that is 90 to 100 km per hour, gusting to 110 km per hour. Due to which Odisha is very likely to receive rainfall activity from 27th onwards. On 27th, many places rainfall activity will be there. In that, with that, very heavy rainfall very likely, heavy to very heavy rainfall very likely to occur in the district of Koraput, Malkangiri, Nagarapur, Kalahandi, Kandhamal, Ganjam, Gajapati, and Rayagada district. In addition to that, isolated heavy rainfall also very likely to occur in the district of Puri, Khoda, Rayagada, Baud, Bolangir, and Nuapada district. And on 28th, heavy to very heavy rainfall very likely to occur at a few places with isolated extremely heavy falls very likely in the district of Ganjam, Gajapati, Rayagada, Koraput and Malkangiri district, and also heavy to very heavy rainfall very likely to occur at isolated places in the district of Nagarapur, Kalahandi, Kandhamal, Rayagada, Khordha, Puri, and in addition to that heavy rainfall very likely to occur in the district of Balangir, Bargad, Angul, Dhankana, Kattak, Jagatsinghpur, Jajpur, Kendrapada, Bhadrap, Palesar, Mayurbhanj, Keonjhar, Sonpur, etc. And on day 29th, also most places in the state are likely to experience rainfall activity. In addition to that, heavy to very heavy rainfall, even extremely heavy rainfall, isolated extremely heavy rainfall very likely in the district of Malkangiri, Koraput, Rayagada, Nabarangpur and Kalahandi district. In addition to that, heavy to very heavy rainfall very likely to occur at isolated places in the district of Balangir, Nuapada, Jajpur, Ganjam, Kandhamal and Baud district, and also other districts likely to get heavy rainfall, isolated heavy rainfall activity. And on 30th, the rainfall activity is likely to decrease drastically, hardly isolated heavy rainfall very likely in the district of Jharsuguda, Sundargarh, Sambalpur, Devagad, Mayurbhanj and Keonjhar district. But however, wind speed also will start rising from 26th onwards. On 26th October, coastal district and some part of south Odisha district likely to experience wind speed 30 to 40 km per hour, gusting to 50 km per hour. And on 28th and 29th, wind speed very likely to be 60 to 70 km per hour, gusting to 80 km per hour in the district of Ganjam, Gajapati, Rayagada, Koraput and Malkangiri district. However, wind speed very likely to be 50 to 60 km per hour, gusting to 70 km per hour in the district of Puri, Khoda, Rayagada, Kalahandi, Kandhamal and Nabarangpur district, and other neighboring districts very likely to receive having wind speed 40 to 50 km per hour, gusting to 60 km per hour. Fishermen are advised not to venture into the sea from 26th onwards. Sea will be rough to very rough during 26-27, but 28-29 it will be like in high condition. Therefore, fishermen are advised not to venture into the sea from 26th onwards, and port warning has been issued. Distant cautionary signal number 1 is issued for all port of Odisha coast. Red color is green for the district like Ganjam, Gajapati, Rayagada, Koraput, Malkangiri district for 28th and 29th. It is Malkangiri, Koraput, Rayagada, Navrampur and Kakinada district. That will. Yeah, but wind speed will be high and extremely heavy rainfall also very likely. People, they should stay indoor, do not go out, and if it is low-lying area, please move to the safer place.
Is there any possibility of landslide in the area where temperature have been?
Yes. Since extremely heavy rainfall is there, landslide also likely. So for that, one need to take action.
Any for urban local bodies and any other message?
For everywhere, this is the rainfall warning is there, wind warning is there. Both of them in combination creates problem. So that is why all need to take care. Capital city also likely to get some in heavy rainfall also. Landfall 28th evening or night. As a severe cyclonic storm, that is around Kakinada.